Hello everybody and welcome back to semester 2, day 1. So today we're just going to start off really light and we're just going to kind of talk about what are some important things that we need to know going into this semester. So this first arrow right here is talking about this point right here. That is what we call our y-intercept. Now you may ask yourself, okay, why is that y? Because this is our y-axis and that is our x-axis. So if it crosses the y-axis, it is intercepting y. Okay, we see this other arrow here, and I'm sure you can guess what that is. Since it's crossing our x-axis, that is our x-intercept. All right, so now that we've kind of got those basic points down and where things hit, one other thing I want to go over is slope. Now you should have learned a little bit about slope last semester, but this is just a little bit of a refresher, right? You're going to pick two perfect points on your graph. So I've picked right here and right here. And you're going to do the rise over the run. So let's go ahead and write that down in our notes here. Under slope, we're going to do our rise over the run. Now we had also talked about on that review sheet that we have a equation that we can write. And that is of course y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we're just subtracting our y's, subtracting our x's, and if possible, always reduce. Now there are some other things that I'm going to kind of preview here for you. Some of you may remember slope-intercept form from middle school, so let's write that down here. So that is y equals, m is always going to be a number, and I'll talk about what that is, x, and then we have another number here. Let's see, I'll do orange, plus b. Okay, so b is going to be my y-intercept. And that m is going to be my slope. Okay, another thing we're going to talk about this year is standard form. Standard form, I think, is beautiful. So that is going to look like ax plus by equals, we need a different color there, red, C. And here, A, B, and C are numbers. And they don't necessarily correspond to anything, they're just numbers, and we'll talk again on what those things really look like nitty-gritty coming up this unit. So just a little bit more about our x-intercept. When we write our x-intercept, it's going to be a number, comma 0, if we were to write it as a point. And our y-intercept, as we write it, is going to be 0, comma, a number. All right, guys, like I said, just a super basic overview of what is to come. This is going to be a huge help as we go forward, so make sure you keep this page nice and close by. And I will see you back tomorrow for some more information. Bye.